Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the unable to share. We weren't able to share your file. Please try again later. Error in Adobe Acrobat. If you've been trying to share a PDF using the share button and the issue still isn't going away, this simple fix may solve your problem. Let's get started. Open Adobe Acrobat Preferences. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Click on Menu and then select Preferences, or press Ctrl+K on your keyboard. In the Preferences window, click on Security Enhanced from the left menu. Make sure Enable Enhanced Security is checked. Add a trusted location. Under Privileged Locations, you need to add your PDF location as a trusted location. You have three options. Click Add File if you want to trust only one or two PDF files. Click Add Folder Path if you want to trust an entire folder containing multiple PDFs. Click Add Host if your PDFs are stored on a specific website or network location. You can also enable automatically trust sites from my WinOS security zones to trust websites that are already trusted in Windows. After adding the trusted location, click OK and restart Adobe Acrobat. Now try sharing your PDF again by clicking the Share button and selecting Get a Link. In most cases, the sharing feature should work properly after these changes. That's it for today's video. I hope this solution helped you fix the Acrobat unable to share PDF error. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.